Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We are continuing to get much needed rain, especially this time of year. So we had some big storms move through yesterday, but they split right when they got over us, so we didn't get much rain yesterday. And we're kind of glad because we have a lot of mowing. I did quite a bit yesterday, and there's some more we need to try to take care of today and tomorrow before we get some more chances Monday through Wednesday, and I think it's Monday night through Wednesday. So many of you know that we garden various ways. We garden with our high tunnels, we garden in the ground, we garden in raised beds, we garden in pots, container gardening in there. And so for our outside gardens, we are really focusing on raised beds because our soil here is not good. We have the Texas black gumbo soil, and so we have been creative over the last several years, and we have put up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 raised beds, and we just got another one. So it was a pretty good deal. We got it from Vevor. If you've not heard of Vevor, Vevor is Greg's favorite catalog. He says it's like the J.C. Whitley catalog of old because you can get just about anything from Vevor. And when we are looking for something around here on the farm, we usually go to them because they are price competitive and they have really good products. So let's talk more about this raised bed. So it came in a fairly small box, and you can see here it has all the rods and it has all the hardware. And this is where Greg started to put it up. He did lay some weed cloth down below. So unboxing further, you can see it has all the hardware and everything needed to put this together. I will say it had quite a few screws, and it is they are the wing nuts, so no hardware is needed to assemble this raised bed. We got a very large one because we want to have plenty of room, and these are some of the tools it came with. These are the ends, and you can see quite a few nuts and bolts in there. So the sides he got together, it took him probably about 6 or 7 hours, guys, to put this together. He did put weed cloth underneath it and started assembling it up by our other raised beds in front. And we noticed after we got it put together that weed cloth is very hot in the summer. So I'll show you what he did with that after he got all this put together. So yeah, you can see it is a very large raised bed. We're excited to have it, and we are ready to put this to use. And we think that we're going to put this as our pepper bed. So it has the middle braces to hold it all together so it doesn't bow out. You can see we put it up there in front with our other raised beds so that it would get watering properly. Here's the finished product, guys. It's a 2 by 3 by 6, and we really like the ends, how they come together, pretty sturdy. And Greg went ahead and filled the bottom of it with some of those wood chips that we got in back, and probably about a third of it, and then we added some organic potting mix to it. And we have our peppers, and we have some cilantro and some dill, and it doesn't get the morning sun, it gets the afternoon sun, so it's going to be really perfect. As the summer wears on, it'll probably start getting sunshine around noon, and then it'll stay in the sun, in the full sun, until dark. So that's why we went ahead and put the peppers in here, because they do like the heat. So after he put the weed cloth down, we went ahead and put wood chips on it because it was significantly hotter in this Texas sun, and it wasn't summer yet, and we're not in summer yet, but even on the warm spring days, he still got some to cover up over there, because my concern was with this black weed cloth, which is also Vevor. They have very good weed cloth. You have to check them out, and I'll put a link down below. It was very, very hot, and I was concerned about all my plants here and my plants here getting too hot just from the reflection. So here in Texas, it's really important, if you're going to use weed cloth, to try to keep things down on the, keep your weeds and your grass from coming through, you're probably going to want to find some kind of ground cover to go on top of it so it keeps it cool. But you can see here, it looks pretty good. And for the price, guys, you can't beat it, honestly. Again, I'll put the link down below and you can check it out. But we're excited to have this because we have various types of raised beds. Greg built this one, gosh, about 6 years ago. And then this one, and we have another one identical to it up front. So raised bed gardening is one of our favorites to do, especially as we get older, because we don't have to bend over as much. So this bed, along with our others, will be extremely helpful on us growing our own food and getting some really good varieties. So yeah, I'm excited to see how these peppers do in here, and I think they're going to do fantastic because we had them in that bed last year, and we got paprika peppers like crazy, and Greg was able to make our own smoked paprika seasoning. So believe it or not, it's about 55 degrees here on May the 3rd here in Texas. Got my jacket on. So it's a mite chilly, and in the coming week, it's supposed to be just like this. We are going to be in the 50s at night and in the 70s during the day. This is ideal gardening season, especially for the spring here in Texas, because the cooler temps and the rain that we're getting helps our plants to root. The cool nights helps the flowers to come on, especially for our tomatoes, and gets everything ready for when those old hot temperatures come in. So guys, it's time to get to gardening, and if you're not growing your own food, you really need to be. I know I say that every year, but you really need to be growing your own food. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in one of them Vevor raised beds or anything else they have, go check out their website. And again, I'll put that below. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll be in touch.